As of late Friday, the province had nearly 21,000 active cases. Over 1,900 people are in hospital and 490 in ICUs. There's been a steep increase in infections of 50% since the previous week. Amid the turmoil, the health department forges ahead with vaccinations. To date, over 20,000 people have received their jabs as part of the education vaccination program.
The Provincial Department of Health has also opened up an additional 2 vaccination sites in the Cape Metropole to keep up with the pressure to administer the remaining 35,000 vaccines in the next week or so. 31 sites are now open. So far, the process at the vaccination sites has run smoothly, with educators and staff reporting positive and professional service by our WCD and health colleagues. The atmosphere is certainly exciting, it's uplifting, it's electric. There is indeed a sense of hope for the sector as a whole. We cannot emphasize enough how extremely grateful we are for this opportunity as we look towards recovery in a sector that has been hit so hard by the pandemic, with our learners being the most affected.
The vaccination drive will kick into higher gear from Monday, as those aged 50 and over are expected to start receiving notices for their appointments. The province has just under 683,000 people in this age group, and 37% have registered thus far. Mass vaccination sites will begin to play a bigger role over the coming weeks.
We are now expanding the teacher vaccination in combination at that mass site with Metropolitan, in addition to the other sites in the Metro, while we have 27 sites in the rural areas. In Western Cape Government, the big site for us is the CTICC. The planned opening now is on the 6th of July, that's next week. We are working with Athlone Stadium, that's probably going to be in August. And then all of this is obviously that we have the supplies and the demand for people coming to be vaccinated, and very tightly managed over the next 10 to 14 days.
The Delta variant, which is highly contagious, is driving the steep infection rate. Residents are urged to avoid gatherings at all costs and to protect their so-called bubbles of people in their homes by wearing masks and to keep a distance of at least 2 meters from others. Mariska Botha, SABC News, Cape Town.